Hello, this is Cluster Reply and we are offering Microsoft-based technology solution for our customers. Today we are going to present one of our BI solution in HR field using Power BI. In this video we will show how it's possible to deliver a user-friendly report in Power BI depending on customer demands. In the home page, some key values about employees are shown, such as the number of hired people in the past year or the number of ending contracts this year. We have here the total number of employees split by gender and also the number of hired and terminations by role. We give some insight about the age, here the age distribution in our company or the age distribution in different companies. Tooltips are very useful to gain the exact number in a graph, for example, in this case or in this case, but tooltips sometimes can also enrich your graph, for example, giving new information. For example, here we have the number of people in a company and we can have a tooltips that gives additional information about the gender distribution and the hired location, for example. By clicking on this link, we can go through other pages, for example, on the overview pages. In this page, we have an analysis of employee data. Filters on the top can be easily used to select, for example, one company or more than one company. Here, we have the information about the average age of all selected company, or here we can have the average of the age divided by the two companies. We can see this as bar chart but also as table. Thanks to the drill down selection, we can go deeper on the department of a single company or even more in the business unit for each company and select them. By clicking on the home icon, we can now go to another tab which is dedicated to terminations. Here you can see directly the number of people that are ending their contracts this year or the ones who have already terminated. On the table below you have a report for each company, or you can go through the business unit and also to each single employee and select them. For example, we can select the employee which is ending the contract the next year, and thanks to this link we can go to another page which is specific detailed for this employee, where we have a detailed overview of the status in our company. Now, coming back to the home page, I want to show you some other tricks you can do with Power BI. For example, you can use decomposition trees and this is very useful to explore your data. For example, we have the number of employees divided by division, and you can select dividing them by company or also by business unit and then company. On another very useful stuff is the Q&A section, where you can directly ask some question to Power BI. For example, you can ask the number of employees and he gives you the number, or split it by company. And if you are not satisfied about the bar chart, you can also ask the type of chart you want, for example a pie, and you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Cluster Reply and thanks for watching.